Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. The 6 Goswamis, they are always engaged. Krishna's Kirtana, loudly chanting. The same process we are following. Loudly chant, always. Be engaged in archan. Always there is possibility of Krishna consciousness. The facilities are there. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has taught us Kirtaniya Sadahari. Then Prekhaniya. Prekhaniya is worth seeing. We are accustomed to see so many things. That is our bondage. Aknophalam. By the eyes, you see the deity, the Vaishnavas. The Vaishnavas with tilak, with kanthi, with chanting beads. As soon as you see, practically you know, as soon as they see this Hare Krishna movement people, they also chant Hare Krishna, giving a chance to the others. The dress is also required. You should be always equipped with tilak, kanthi and shikha, sutra. Then as soon as a common man sees, oh, here is Hare Krishna man, Hare Krishna, he will chant. Automatically, you give a chance to chant Hare Krishna. So, this is required. The foolish rascals, they say, what is the necessity of this, that? No, this is necessity. You must always remain dressed like a Vaishnava. That is necessity. So, Prakhaniya, that is very beautiful to see. Otherwise, how they become impressed. Immediately they become so pious that they chant Hare Krishna. The chanting of Hare Krishna is not so easy. So many people come here, but when there is chanting, they do not chant, because it is not easy. Jajjibhagya ramatubham. In the Shastra it is said, ahavato sapachatu upagaryana jajjibhagre ramatubham. Anyone who is chanting Hare Krishna, jibhagre, with the tongue, even if he is born in a family of dog-eaters, he is glorious. That is, he is glorious. Jajjibhagre namatubham. So, we give this chance. As soon as he chants Hare Krishna, immediately he becomes glorious. Immediately he becomes glorious. Ahavata sapachu tapigaryan jajjibhagre na tipustapaste. That means in his previous life he has already performed many sacrifices. Therefore he has got this qualification of chanting Hare Krishna. Te pustapaste juhubu sushnu arya. They are really Arya, Aryan. He is chanting Hare Krishna. So we should practice ourselves to chant Hare Krishna always. Kirtaniya Sadahari. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu recommended. Tinadapi sunitena tarorapi sahisnuna amanina manadena kirtaniya sadahari. Harinam, this chanting of Hare Krishna mantra, one should practice always. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama. So, Prekhaniya hitam dhyayet. This is meditation. That Shuddha Bhavena, not artificial, but even if you do artificially, you will be purified by chanting. Artificially, if you do, that is in the Shastra, still the chanting of the holy name is so powerful that it will make you, because it is directly associating with God. So as soon as you chant, immediately there will be meditation. Shuddha bhavena cetasa. by consciousness, by the mind, by intelligence. This is the recommendation.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare